So this is the washer that we bought from Amazon. It's compact, it's mini, it's very light, but it's sturdy. It holds about, I'd say about a medium load. It could wash it up. It wash a medium load. It is easy to operate. Everything's self-explanatory. It's so easy. My 7-year-old can use it. And down in here you can see this is the screw I was talking about to make sure that it's screwed in tightly for the plate don't come up and it'll spin out great. But that was my only complaint about it. It works great. I enjoy it. So see, and you can put your water levels. We always put it on 8, and it got all these different operations: standard, soft, quick, heavy duty. But I always use heavy duty. I got twin boys. They get everything filthy, and you just start it. Boom, there you go. So it don't hold as much as a regular washing machine, of course, but most of the time these is our beach blankets, and I usually put 2 bleach blankets and 3 sheets. 2 of these sheets is twin size, and then we got a toddler size sheet also. And I usually put those. This is a full load. 2 beach blankets and the sheets is a full load. It'll fit in, wash, and be clean.